Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you have an administrator account. This gives you permission to remove apps. Once ready, open Settings via Start or Win+I, then go to Apps to see installed programs. Type the app name into the Settings search box to locate the exact entry that Windows Search is promoting. Do this now so you're acting on the correct package. Removing the wrong app can change system behavior. Make sure to note whether it's a Microsoft Store app or a desktop app before proceeding. Once you've identified the item, decide whether to uninstall or hide it. For desktop apps, click Uninstall and follow prompts. This removes the program and its search footprint. For Microsoft Store apps, open Advanced Options, then reset or uninstall to clear search entries. If the app cannot be removed, disable its background app's permission and remove it from indexing options so it stops appearing in search results. These steps change how Windows indexes content and reduce unwanted entry. To finalize, rebuild the Windows search index so removed apps disappear from results. Go to Indexing Options, right arrow Advanced right arrow Rebuild, and be patient while Windows reindexes. Once done, restart the Windows search service or reboot your PC to ensure cache is clear. If the app still appears, run the search and indexing troubleshooter and verify file and app permissions. Sometimes residual shortcuts remain in user profile or start menu folders. These actions resolve most lingering entries and restore accurate search behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.